How to contact Amazon customer service. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll show you how you can contact Amazon's customer service, so you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. In order to contact your Amazon's customer service, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application. I always recommend you to try to contact from the app. Do not go ahead and search in Google or somewhere else, because sometimes it may take you to a spam call center call, and there are just perfectly spoofed ads everywhere nowadays that it's going to request a WhatsApp call with you, and then they're going to ask for your credit info and so on, and then eventually they're going to scam you out of it. So be very wary of that. Always try to use the official application to contact customer service. Once you open the Amazon official app, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called customer service. Once you go to customer service, now right over here you'll be able to see all of the chat helps that you can get from, but we want to talk to an actual person, right? So we want to maybe a phone call or maybe a customer service, whatever we want. We'll go to something else section and we'll choose the option called view all. Once we go to view all, we'll go to section that says I need more help, and once you go to I need more help, it is going to take us to an Amazon associate right over here. So over here you need to just select the option called I need more help whenever they ask for something, and then here you'll have options such as chatting with an associate, or then requesting a phone call, or go to my customer service, or never mind, I'm all set. You can request a phone call if you like, or if you want to chat with a real associate, then you can tap on the chat with an associate. Now right over here you'll be able to ask all of the details that you'll be able to send to them. So just go ahead and type in I need help or anything else that you want, depending upon what help that you want, and then you can see a real agent will be able to join the specific chat, and they'll be able to help you with your issue. And that's all it takes to contact the Amazon customer service. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.